Unit 1 SLT2 is about Euclid's postulates. It's a quick lesson. We just want to start learning about some theorems and postulates that are going to help us prove things in geometry. Euclid was an old mathematician, and he came up with these postulates. The definition of a postulate, they are basic rules of geometry, and we can assume that all postulates are true. So postulates are like their statements, like rules, and all of these statements and rules are assumed true in geometry. And then we have theorems. Theorems are statements that can be proven true using postulates, definitions, and other theorems that have already been proven. So that's the difference between a postulate and a theorem. A postulate is assumed true, but a theorem has to be proven true. Now these are 4 of Euclid's postulates. There are 5, but we're just going to talk about 4 for now. Postulate 1 states that a straight line segment can be drawn between any 2 points. So let's say we have, I'm going to try to draw a line between, these are 2 points, and if we draw a line between these 2 points, you can see that any line can be drawn between any 2 points. So that's postulate 1. Postulate 2 states that any straight line can be extended indefinitely. So that's forever. And with lines, if they go on indefinitely, that means the arrows on the edge of the lines, those arrows on the edge of the lines show that it goes on indefinitely, forever. Now postulate 3, given any line segment, a circle can be drawn having the segment as its radius and its end point as its center. So now if I draw that segment, here's the end point, here's the line segment. The end point is the center of a circle, and I can draw the circle around the segment. That way, the segment is now the radius of the circle, and the end point is the center of the circle. Okay, now postulate 4, all right angles are equal. So no matter what, if you have a right angle that looks like this, with the square or rectangle that denotes it, that will be equal to a right angle that looks like this. All right angles are equal. It doesn't matter which way they are facing. They're all 90 degrees.